You see this heading, the selection criteria of PG bitumen. It's very important topic. So before I start explaining the selection criteria, first of all, go through this table. This table showing which are grade available. You see, as I am seeing to this one, go on seeing downward, you will see at every point 6 degrees Celsius temperature is increasing. 46, 52, 58, 64, 70. It is 6 degree increment. So here 6 degree increment is given. So you can say that for high temperature, 6 degree increment. And for the low temperature, you see minus 10, minus 16. Here, minus 6 degree decrement. Decrement means temperature is being reduced. So this is the table in front of me, which I have already explained to you in my previous video. Now, how we will select which is our bitumen grade being used for the development of hot mix expert. So for here, it is based upon the two criteria. First of all, selection of high temperature. Selection of high temperature means you have the temperature of any certain area. Let us suppose that you have observed the temperature in certain area is 60 Celsius. But in my table, 60 Celsius is not available. It means my 60 Celsius is coming over here. It is my 60 Celsius over here. It is not 52, it is not a 64. It is somewhere between. So which temperature range will be selected? So it means go to next higher. So let me explain it. Go to next higher temperature. So as I adopt this criteria, it means now 58 is lower. No, it's not acceptable. After 60, go to next higher temperature. It is 64. It means my first condition is satisfied. I will have to select is 64. Now, it means my X value is satisfied. I have reached to this conclusion. And second conclusion, selection of low temperature. Suppose in certain region, we have gone through this overnight cooling temperature, and after applying the certain condition, it is observed that the temperature is minus 20 Celsius. So from here, we will have to go to this row. So you see this one, as it is given over here, your minus 22 is between minus 16 and minus 22. What will you do? You have to go to the lower temperature of this one. Lower temperature of this one means that you are not going to select this one. You will go to the lower down temperature. So in this way, available range is minus 16 and minus 20, and I am over here. I will not go to this side, and I will go to the lower temperature. Lower down temperature is this one. So from here, I will select minus 22 Celsius as my YY temperature. So from here, which type of this material would be used by considering these two parameters? It is like, let me write down now over here. As I have explained you these two conditions, on the basis of these two conditions, I have to develop my mix design by using 64 minus 22. I hope you may have understood this now clearly. And you also may have understood 60 degree increment when we are increasing the temperature. In the lower temperature side, you may have also seen 6 degree decrement. It's also shown you over here in this table. Next, keep this thing in mind. How will you measure the room temperature? Again, two conditions. First condition for high temperature. this high temperature, as in my previous video, I have explained you 7 days mean temperature. And is it the surface temperature? No, because surface temperature is always higher 20 degree by ambient. What is the reason? Because asphalt is dark in color, it has the capability to absorb the heat and retain the heat. So that is why its temperature is 20 Celsius more than the ambient temperature. How will we find out this temperature? So it is general practice, you will go 1 inch down to the finished surface. This is my finished asphalt level. I will go 1 inch down. There I will measure this temperature of this asphalt. That temperature will be taken as our higher temperature. And about our lower temperature is our ambient temperature, overnight cooling temperature, because whatever is the temperature of the environment, that will be the temperature of the surface when it is in the cooler state. So that is measured. So low temperature is measured at the surface. So keep all these parameters in your mind. So for all the young engineers who are studying, they should have to follow this table. They should try to understand this table. After this table, whatever the procedure of selection criteria I have explained in my video, go through it very well, and how we are measuring the road temperature. Both the principles I have explained you over here. If you have any query, you can ask to me, and thank you very much for seeing this video. And next I will carry on that how I am going to make the modification in this bitumen, and thank you very much for this.